Hey, welcome back, guys. It is the Char Griller Barbecue Wars Tour, Texas edition, and we are moving on to the next place. We are at the world famous, everybody knows, it's been in TV shows, it's been on movies, it's the line around the block from what we hear. People line up 4 hours early before they even open the doors. They sell out of every meat before 2 o'clock. Franklin's Barbecue. I am so excited. Let's get it on. Hi, guys. Okay, so have you never been here before?
No, first time.
Okay. And how far is the line normally here? I hear
I heard it's over there. Yeah.
way down there?
Yeah, the Uber driver said it's
Like where I parked?
Yeah.
At the corner.
At the corner.
It's normally all the way back to the corner, so because it's cold, drizzly.
Maybe it's Wednesday.
Is it Wednesday? I'm so lost.
Yeah.
It's Wednesday, okay.
Yeah.
It's barbecue day.
So what is the one thing you're looking to try? What are you excited about? Is it brisket? Is it ribs?
Brisket.
Yeah.
Brisket?
Yeah.
All right. Are you guys from around here?
I study here.
Right?
Yeah, but she's from another.
Yeah, I just visit him for vacation.
Okay, so you're local? You?
No.
Oh, neither one of you are around
Yeah,
from
well,
here.
not around here.
Got it. Well, that's cool. Well, enjoy yourselves. Thanks for talking with me.
Okay.
So I'm inside. I just want to show you. This place is so tiny, but it's so huge. So what happens is people will come in. They're going to come in through that door. You can see there's a line all the way down, Normally goes down the street. They're going to come through here. They're going to walk through here. And they're going to order right there. I love the gnome. I'm not into gnomes, but I love it. So forgive me, what's your first name?
Mickey.
Mickey.
Yes.
So Mickey, we heard there was a fire.
Mm-hmm.
You guys closed down. What happened? I don't want to try and guess.
Yeah, so it actually happened the day that Hurricane Harvey was kind of coming through. We caught the very tail edge of it, and
Right.
so it was extreme winds, and it blew an ember out of the firebox, lodged it up against the wall, and the wall caught. So it was super early in the morning. There was only one employee here, but he was able to kind of close the door to the smokehouse, which saved the rest of this stuff.
Oh, so this restaurant
So-
didn't burn down. It's
right,
all
it's
good.
just the smokehouse.
backside.
Yeah, so,
Oh.
and you can see over there the pictures of like the fire damage.
Right?
But it was nuts, and we were close.
Everybody's
for 3
safe?
months. Everyone was safe. There's only, I think, one person in line. They went home.
Right.
Yeah, and then
Wow.
we've been back up and running since November 21st.
How long they been around?
They started in 2009, and that was in a trailer. 1 year in the trailer, and then
Right.
they've been in here ever since.
So, all right. So 2010 they came here.
I believe so. Yeah.
All right, and what made them world famous? What was the one thing that turned this place around? Because like I've seen you on movies, I've seen you on TV, I've seen you.
Well, I wasn't here for all of that part.
Right.
But, I mean, the food's good.
Just the food.
Yeah.
Just did it from day one.
I believe so. Yeah.
Here's part of their menu. Brisket is $22. Pork ribs, $19. Well, you can read it. Why am I reading it to you? Such an idiot. All right, pause the film if you need something. So Wednesday, we're in the shortest line of the week, right? Mm-hmm. Wednesday?
Yeah. She told me Wednesday is absolutely the shortest line by far. It's every Wednesday is like this.
Right.
She said, but like on a weekend or any other day, she said typically the line where we're standing goes down to where you parked, and then it goes down that street over there.
Down the whole street?
Down the whole street. It wraps over and then comes up. See where the sign says Legend right there?
Yeah.
There's a street over there, and it goes all the way up that next street, the line, normally.
So it's literally the length of 2 streets.
Yeah, normally, she said, and they sell out every single day.
Even
Here,
on Wednesdays.
Even on Wednesdays.
Okay, so the lady's going by. She got a little clipboard
And
right
that's
there.
she's taking meat orders.
She's taking meat orders.
Right.
Make sure she has enough. She can tell everybody there'll be some for you, there won't be some for you.
And what was our outcome?
Well, we're not that far from the front of the line. Look, those few people, right? And she just told me we're not going to get pulled pork because they've already run out. I said, how many did you make? And she said, 3 pork butts for the whole day? Wait, now how many did the shed do?
80?
80
80
a day.
A day.
80 a day.
Every single day.
Okay, guys, I'm burning hot right now. I am upset. We've waited 2 hours in line to get to the front of the line to find out there's no pulled pork because they only made 3 pork butts. There are people with luggage. There are people who travel here from hundreds of miles away to eat at Franklin's Barbecue. They are world famous, right? And they always claim they run out of food by 2 o'clock. No wonder, you have no food. There are people arriving right now. Every 5 minutes, there's a car coming up, and they're getting out, and they're getting in line, and they're already running out of food, and it hasn't even been served yet. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. It's like, had I known this fact, I would not even put Franklin's Barbecue on my list. Okay, so we're only number 46 in line, and the people just behind us, we're told it's an hour before they're gonna be taken care of and seated. 46 people at my point, so they're probably 50. So the first 50 people, the 50th person's gonna wait an hour before they eat, after they waited, how many hours? 2 hours in the parking lot. 3 hours to eat, and they're not gonna get pulled pork because they're behind me. So, this is bizarre. A lot of meat. Wow. So this person's not sharing with anybody. Look at that. Oh yeah, they're sharing too. So are you guys sharing right here?
No, that's all her. I'm just watching her.
Serious. That's pretty. No, I'm serious. I love that. I'm keeping that in the video. I just want them to know you're eating all this. That's all. Enjoy. Okay, dude, I'm seeing some cool stuff. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, this might be like the brisket capital,
It's possible.
but so we'll see. Yeah, we'll see it all. You got that out of the oven right there.
About 9:15.
Look at that.
Any turkey or sausage yet?
That came right out of the oven. Look at that. That's how I'm talking about. I hope Cooper's is watching this video. That's how you're doing it.
Yes, please.
They wet it. Look at that. They wet it right now. Okay, so they want us to try the sausage. You can throw one in.
That's all?
So we can review that. That'd be great. Yeah. That's very kind of you. Thank you. That's so cool. Okay, guys. So they were. Oh, what do you, dude? What? Is that the infinity bib?
Yes, it never ends.
Oh my gosh. All right, so let's show you what we got here. We literally got a little bit of everything. They want to know if we like sausage. I'm like, yeah, I'm Italian, I like sausage and spaghetti sauce. He threw in a free sausage so we could try it. So we're going to review that outside of the competition.
Yeah.
What do we got here?
This is the pulled pork. It's got to be.
It's been everything they grab. Once they cut it, they drench it in this brine, not brine, it's like a warm juice. They did the same thing with the turkey.
Amazing. That looks amazing.
Turkey looks beautiful. What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, turkey looks amazing. The ribs look beautiful.
Let's pull this out a little.
All right, we're gonna give that a try. Why don't you go first on the pulled pork since you're already in
Pull
it?
that out.
Look at that. Nice. Still hot. Be careful.
It's been 3 hours, dude. Ready?
3 hours. Okay. The sucker's hot.
Look at that.
That's a full-size spare rib. You can see the cartilage at the top. They even give you the top meat where the cartilage is, which is a lot of meat.
I'm just pulling that out right there.
Oh, look at that, man.
They're just pulling right
And
out.
it looks like they nailed it.
I'm gonna try it.
Nailed the ribs. Okay. All right. He contained himself very well.
Okay, he did a fat and a skinny. On the
Fatty and a
brisket.
skinny, right?
He did 2 different cuts.
Yeah, just take a piece of it, whatever you want.
Oh, dude.
It's just pulling apart.
Yeah.
I can't even explain. He's not gonna just scoop under it all. It's gonna fall.
That looks so good.
Oh my gosh, look at the outer bark on that. Okay, buddy, go. Just visually, I would say that's. All right, never mind. I'm gonna start with pulled pork and a little of that bark there.
That's a bite.
That's a bite. All right, here we go.
That rib looks awesome.
Here we go. Okay. All right, ready? I'm gonna show you something. Ready? I'm not even gonna use my teeth. I'm gonna just use my lips. Ready?
Okay, so it's not LA. It's more of a neighborhood. It's called Casa Pizza.
So let's start with coleslaw.
Okay. Sure.
Don't do this to me, dude.
This looks like Mama's old stuff she made.
Stab that, man. Make it happen.
That's the one I like.
That's the way you like it?
Yep. Okay, it's just
See any
beans.
meat?
No, I don't.
No meat.
I don't see any. Well, yes,
Oh, yeah,
there
right
is.
there.
Yep, there's some.
Yep. Usually they take meat scraps and throw them in there. Okay, that's the pinto beans.
Got it, yep.
Not baked beans.
Not
pinto,
baked beans.
pinto
Right.
beans. Really good. I like those. They're different. They're peppery. They're very cowboy beans.
They are. Coleslaw, by the way.
Is this coleslaw?
Yeah.
Should I have started with this? I
Probably
didn't tell
should
me.
have, but that's
All right.
okay.
My bad.
Excellent. Outstanding award. Yeah.
Okay, so Franklin's, the 2-hour wait, obviously, before we went in, and then almost another hour once the door opened. The brisket was good, but the ribs were better. That was my opinion. The ribs, they literally, as we watched you, with your lips, they came right off the bone. It was absolutely my favorite for the ribs. The brisket was number 2. It just didn't have the flavor. It was good, but it didn't have the flavor of that rib. And then the, let's see, what else did we have in there? The pulled pork. That was decent. I mean, it was pulled pork either way. I wasn't just a huge fan, didn't hate it, but and then I think they nailed every one of the sides. I thought the beans were fantastic. The coleslaw was really good. It was really crunchy. Had the red cabbage in it, those seeds that you keep talking about when your mouth's full.
Caraway seeds.
Thank you. Those are really good inside there. And then the potato salad's exactly how I love it. That's that down home, that picnic style potato salad that I really enjoy. But I thought it was really good. Personally, I wouldn't go back through it to wait 3 hours for that. I wouldn't do it. So anyway, glad we came.
Okay, so everybody here is amazingly nice. They're ready to serve. They're hands-on. I love that. The brisket's good. Not the best brisket I've had. The brisket's really good. They're famous for that. The ribs were the best. The ribs were amazing. The what was it? The turkey, even though it's not a part of this competition, turkey was dry, and they dunked that in that juice that they dunked the pulled pork in, so they both had the same seasoning, the same flavor. Pulled pork was meh. It was just kind of average pulled pork. No extra boom in the flavor, not moist, not really overly moist, none of that. So what else? The sausage. Thank you, Franklin's, for throwing in the free sausage. That was amazing. It was the surprise of the whole time here. Probably some of the best sausage I've had at any barbecue joint. I'm not a fan of smoked sausage because it's greasy and mushy. What else? Oh, so there's no chicken. They're getting dinged for that. Sorry. Everybody has chicken. Everybody from coast to coast. You did turkey. It was dry. You should go to chicken. Brisket, you get the 5-point bonus. They have beef ribs on Saturday. We give them the 5-point bonus because they have it available. They carry beef ribs. I get why you only do it on the weekends. More people are there. You don't want to throw out beef ribs that the people didn't pay $22 a pound for, right? What else? I think that's it. Oh, the sides. Impressed. All the sides are great. Those beans are so much better than baked beans. They were a fresh new flavor, that cowboy flavor over a campfire. Guys, the score's on the screen. It's not going to be that good because they got dinged for a few things. But thank you, Franklin's. I wouldn't wait an hour for this food. Just let you know. I wouldn't. If I can't walk in and just get this food, I'll go to Jack's Barbecue on Trinity Lane and get food immediately with a better brisket than I've had here. I love you guys. We'll see you on the next episode. Take care.